Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Tesla because Tesla has been dropping a lot lately. I put buy orders to buy Tesla at 191. I shared it in the members group. You can join it on the join button down there on YouTube. And I posted it about like 8 hours ago in pre-market. My shares are buying. They're already executed. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals and the market. IOTA up 14%. Holy wow. IOTA up 13.8%, SMR 6%, TSM is up yesterday in pre-market 1%, Pocket is up a little bit, pulling back from earlier today, Meta up 1.4 yesterday, pre-market tech stocks are still up, Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, breaching 40,000 and coming back. Huge pump on Bitcoin in the last few months. You're looking at Bitcoin over the last 4 years. Let's go closer onto the weekly. You can see Bitcoin is pulling back quite a lot, bouncing off my blue trend line. I executed more buy orders down there at 38,533. Huge bounce off, big hammer candle. Stochastic is oversold, but Bitcoin isn't getting so much of a bounce. But from the top to the bottom, that was about how much of that was a correction? Bitcoin corrected 21% after the ETF. And now billions of dollars of funds are coming in. So, there is a lot of selling pressure, but most likely we get a double bottom here of 38,500. This trade earlier today has not yet executed. There is major support there though. Volume is also increasing. Actually, the last few hours volume has dropped off. The US markets are about to open. So let's see, do the funds start buying up now? I think after a 20% correction, a lot of people are going to think, hey, Bitcoin already corrected 20%, and a lot of the ETFs are going to start buying in. But best is to ladder in orders. 38,500 would be where I would buy on all the major supports. 38,500. This is also major support, which would be like 36,900. All of these major supports, I would expect a bounce. The longer Bitcoin stays in a time area, so for example, Bitcoin stayed in this range for a very long time. You can see here, Bitcoin stayed there from December 20 to July 2022. So almost from December 2020 to July 2022. So it was there for 2 years, or like a year and a half nearly, in this area between 36,000 and 40,000. So that means there's major area of resistance and major area of support here. Let's go closer, 4 hourly, stochastic heading down. So a little bit of, I think we're going to get a double bottom bounce. I think it's going to bounce again off 38,000. There'll be a little bit of, it depends. US market could open. I want to add into my position. I think in the US market open, we can, but I'm pretty exposed in crypto right now. Like if you look over on Bybit, this account, I ran it up from 150K, now 479,000 US dollars. And you can see I've only got, of that 479,000, I've only got $84,000 in cash. The rest, I've got 2 Bitcoin, FXS, Doge, Uniswap, MCRT, Pocket, WorldCoin. I've got my Bitcoin trades open. 24,800 Bitcoin trade, 5 Bitcoin. Maybe I add one more Bitcoin at that double bottom. So if a double bottom bounce, 38,533. But I really don't think it comes down that low. I want to buy one more Bitcoin. But the problem is, if I buy Bitcoin right now, at this price, my liquidation comes up. But I'm doing it. Okay, I added one more Bitcoin. Oh, the order hasn't executed. Shit, Bitcoin bounced as soon as I made the order. 39,871. Bitcoin's at 39,883. But it will most likely pull back and execute this order. And I add one Bitcoin to my position, which will be beautiful. But again, the blue lines is where Bitcoin can pull back. 38,500, 36,975. These are all major areas of support. Another major area of support would be all the way down. Oh, there's a lot of support here. There's so much support on Bitcoin. 34,000 major area of support. So it's going to be hard for Bitcoin to break, but it is possible. So that's where I'd ladder buy orders down. My Bitcoin trade, it executed. Now I've got 6 Bitcoin. You see, 6 Bitcoin, which is beautiful. The liquidation price is 33,900, a little bit low. So I've got 6 Bitcoin and I'm holding that spot positions, which is beautiful. Let's go into Tesla. And everything you're seeing here, everyone, you can learn underneath this video. Go down below under the video. One is the exchanges I use and the different bonuses and like things you can get. Bybit gives a $30,000 bonus when you use that link and meet their trading requirements. Guru courses, make sure you take all the courses before you start doing any of this so you really understand what I'm doing. The Crypto Master course goes in depth into the technical analysis. Networking, join the 9,000 traders in our Telegram. Let's go quickly into Tesla. I bought Tesla earlier today. I posted it on my membership. You can click the YouTube button. I bought Tesla today, and these are the blue line buying areas I've got. This is what I think can happen. The fourth to fifth wave was a lot. I should have closed it there. I don't know why I didn't, because I counted the second to third wave. That's the biggest impulse. Third to fourth, big correction. Then we got that bounce, and I bought it literally perfectly down there. The fourth to fifth wave finished. I should have sold it here. Instead of taking this ABC correction, and then bought back down here at the ABC correction. But I've got buy orders. I bought already at 191. Bitcoin already in pre-market at 191, and I've got buy orders at 166. So that's my updates on the markets, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I hope you learn a lot. Study, learn, join the courses, join us in Telegram. If you're skeptical, watch my videos. And thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.